Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this new English lesson. This lesson is for the third intermediate, the second semester. The subject is English, full blast 6. The lesson is 2A, a source of life. It's dealing with the second part of the lesson, pronunciation, listen, and write. The lesson was prepared and will be presented by Mrs. Atidal Al-Ghamdi. As the objectives for today's lesson, they are practice stressed syllables. We are going to know what is the meaning of stressed syllables, and then we are going to hear some words afterwards. Then we are going to listen for specific information. We are going to have an audio, and then we are going to listen for this information. Then we are going to write the most important geographical features of a country. Yes, it's going to be a descriptive writing. Okay, as a warmer, what is the highest mountain on earth? Who can tell me what is the highest mountain on earth? Very good. It's Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. As said previously, it's about 9,000 meters high above sea level. Okay, then, well, I'm going to ask another question. Name some Arabic rivers. We have some Arabic rivers. Can you name some of them? Do we have any rivers in Saudi Arabia? No, we don't have. We have some Arabic famous rivers like the Nile River, which is the widest river on earth. Yes, very good. So the Nile River, we have Euphrates River. Yes, where's the Euphrates River? Very good. It's in Iraq. Very good. It's in Iraq. Okay. Now we are going to listen and repeat, and then we are going to say how many syllables are stressed in each word. What is the meaning of a stressed syllable? Is when you hear the vowel sound in this syllable or segment of the word, it's a part. Syllables are parts of word. Each syllable should contain one vowel sound. You know your vowels, okay? So each syllable in a word contains only one vowel sound. Like the word organize. Okay, the word organize. I have organize. 3 syllables. Okay, I have 3 syllables because I have 3 different vowel sounds. Okay, here is the same word, but we have the suffix that transformed the verb into a noun. We say organization. How many syllables? Yes, I have 5 different vowel sounds, and I have 5 syllables in this word. Very good. Okay, we're going to listen to the audio and see which syllables are stressed. When I say stressed syllable, you're going to hear the vowel sound higher and longer. Okay, you're going to hear the vowel sound higher and longer in that syllable. Okay, let's start.
A. Organize. B. Organization.
Okay, how many syllables did you hear high in this word, in organize? How many syllables you felt that was heard in a long way? Very good. 1 syllable, which is the second syllable right there. Yes. Organize. Okay, organize. How about the second word? Organization. Organization. Very good. You heard the second and the third. Yes. Organization. Okay. Okay. So what is the meaning of a stressed syllable? Note, stressed syllables are pronounced slightly louder. You hear it, a slightly louder voice. You have it slightly longer in duration and at a slightly higher pitch than the unstressed syllables. Okay, you will feel the pitch of the voice getting a little bit higher. Okay, now we are going to do this as an evaluation. We are going to read the following words, then we are going to underline the stressed syllable or syllables in each word. Then we are going to listen and check our answers. Like the word approximately, okay? Approximately. We see that this is a very long word with different, maybe 4 syllables, okay? So let's see approximately. How many syllables are stressed? How many syllables did you hear getting higher and longer? Very good. 1 syllable, which is the second syllable right there. Approximately. Okay. How about the word telescope? Telescope. 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 Yes, very good. It's the first syllable. Telescope. Okay. How about the word disadvantage? Disadvantage. This is a 4-syllable word. Okay. Disadvantage. Yes, very good. So this, and then we have van. Disadvantage. Okay. So it would be the first and the third syllable. Very good. How about the word disappear? Disappear. Yes, I have the first syllable, this, and I have the last syllable, which is the third. Okay, now the word temperature. Temperature. Yes, although it was a long word and it has 3 syllables, but the first syllable is the only syllable that is stressed. Very good. How about the word information? Information. How many syllables do you hear stressed in this word? Very good. I have the first syllable and the third syllable. Very good. Now we have the word competition. Competition. Very good. Yes, very good. I have the first syllable, come, and then I have the third syllable, T. Yes, competition. Okay. Okay, now in the word comparison. How many syllables are stressed? Comparison. Very good. I have the second syllable. Yes, very good. Now, the last word, discover. 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 Yes, very good. We have the second syllable. Very good. Now let's hear our words and try to check our answers.
B. Read the following words. Underline the stressed syllable or syllables in each word. Then listen and check your answers. Approximately. Telescope. Disadvantage. Disappear. Temperature. Information. Competition. Comparison. Discover.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we are going to listen to the audio and then we are going to supply the missing parts from the audio. Okay, listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Last week on Round the World in 30 Minutes, we visited Scotland. This week we're crossing the Atlantic Ocean in South America. It was Christopher Columbus who discovered this unique place, and he called it Paradise on Earth. Located on the northern coast of South America, it meets the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. It's got high mountains, tropical rainforests, and hundreds of rivers. The Orinoco, which is South America's third longest river, divides the country into 2 and finally flows into the crystal-clear waters of the Atlantic Ocean. There are also 2 lakes, Maracaibo and Valencia. Maracaibo is the largest in South America. The main reason why tourists visit is to see the world's highest waterfall, the Angel Falls. From top to bottom, the water falls an incredible 979 meters. That's 3 times higher than the Eiffel Tower in Paris. People who love nature will also enjoy exploring the 43 national parks, which have got spectacular views and amazing rainforest wildlife. If you visit from October to December, you will see a variety of colourful flowers on the hills of the Andes. A fascinating country indeed, with beautiful scenery, but that's not all. Those who visit must try some of the local dishes, which reflect South American, Indian, European and even Asian cultures. We recommend pabellón, a dish made of black beans, rice, meat and fried bananas. There is also the traditional arepas, which is...
Okay, now before we start, can we guess which country is this? Which country are they talking about? They said that it meets the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. So it's Venezuela. Yes, it's Venezuela. Very good. Now let's repeat. I'm going to repeat and we are going to answer each statement alone. Listen carefully.
Last week on Round the World in 30 Minutes, we visited Scotland. This week we're crossing the Atlantic Ocean to... in South America. It was Christopher Columbus who discovered this unique place, and he called it Paradise on Earth. Located on the northern coast of South America, it meets the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. It's got high mountains, tropical rainforests, and hundreds of rivers. The Orinoco, which is South America's third longest river, divides the country into two, and...
Okay, so the Orinoco is what is it? He said it's yes, it divides the country in two. So what is it? It is a river. Very good. It is a river. Very good. Now, let's see number 2. Maracaibo is South America's largest. Let's listen carefully. Listen to Maracaibo. What is
finally
Maracaibo?
Flows into the crystal clear waters of the Atlantic Ocean. There are also 2 lakes, Maracaibo and Valencia. Maracaibo is the largest in South America.
So, Maracaibo and Valencia, what are they? They are, very good, they are lakes. Excellent. But Maracaibo is the largest. Very good. So it is the largest lake. Very good. Now let's see number 3. Tourists can visit the waterfalls and let's see.
The main reason why tourists visit is to see the world's highest waterfall, the Angel Falls. From top to bottom, the water falls an incredible 979 meters. That's 3 times higher than the Eiffel Tower in Paris. People who love nature will...
Okay, tourists can visit the waterfalls and very good, and the national parks. They have national parks there. Now let's see number 4. The hills of the Andes have a wide variety of... Listen carefully to the audio.
Also enjoy exploring the 43 national parks, which have got spectacular views and amazing rainforest wildlife. If you visit from October to December, you will see a variety of colourful flowers on the hills of the Andes.
So, variety of colourful flowers. Very good. Colourful flowers. Now let's see. Pabellón is made of black beans, lamb meat and fried. Let's see. It's a traditional dish. It's out of different cultures. It's out of rice. Yes, very good.
Fascinating country indeed,
Listen
with
to the
beautiful
rest.
scenery, but that's not all. Those who visit must try some of the local dishes, which reflect South American, Indian, European and even Asian cultures. We recommend pabellón, a dish made of black beans, rice, meat and fried bananas. There is also the traditional arepas, which...
Okay, and fried. So it's made of black beans, rice, meat and fried bananas. Very good. Bananas. Excellent. Very good. Now, this is the writing section. We are going to write a paragraph about your country. We are going to use some of the ideas below. we have to mention where it is, the location. We are going to say some of the most important geographical features: seas, rivers, lakes, mountains, etc. Okay, we have the most famous mountains, the range of mountains here in Saudi Arabia, which is Al-Hijaz Mountains. We have the Red Sea, yes, and the Arabian Gulf. Do we have any rivers? No, we don't have any rivers. Very good. Do we have any lakes here in Saudi Arabia? We don't have any lakes. So let's see our paragraph. My country is Saudi Arabia. Okay, we are speaking about the name of Saudi Arabia. It has a very important position in the Middle East. It is located in the Middle East, and it's got the Red Sea. Here we are going to start the geographical features. It's got the Red Sea to the west and the Arabian Gulf to the east. Saudi Arabia has the largest sand desert in the world, which is the Rub' al-Khali. It also has a big mountain range in Asir province, which is nearly 3,000 meters high. There are few lakes, but there aren't any rivers. Okay, there aren't any rivers. Even the lakes that they have are very small and they are not noticeable. We don't know any famous ones. Okay, so this is the paragraph suggested. Okay. To sum up the lesson, today we have learned about the pronunciation of stressed syllables. How do we pronounce stressed syllables? And then how to write a descriptive paragraph using geographical features. Our reference for today were the Full Blast 6 Students Book, the Full Blast 6 Teacher's Guide, the Full Blast 6 Audio, and Google Clip Arts for pictures. Thank you for attending this lesson. Hope you have enjoyed. Mrs. I'tidal Al-Ghamdi.